In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Notion as a trading journal, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. A proper trading journal is one of the most important tools for becoming a consistently profitable trader, and Notion makes it incredibly easy to organize your trades, strategies, and performance all in one place. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional trading journal set up inside Notion that you can customize to fit your trading style. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future trading and productivity guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and go to your workspace. From here, click on New Page. This creates a fresh page where your trading journal will live. You can name this page something simple like Trading Journal or My Trading Log so it's easy to find later. Once the new page opens, look for the Templates option. Click on Templates to open the Notion template gallery. This is where Notion provides ready-made setups created by the community. Using a template saves you a lot of time compared to building everything from scratch. In the template gallery, search for a trading journal template. In this case, we're going to use a free trading journal template. When you find the one you like, click on Add. This instantly duplicates the template into your Notion workspace, giving you a structured trading journal with predefined sections. Now that the template is added, take a moment to explore the layout. You'll usually see sections for trades, strategies, performance metrics, and notes. Click on the Strategy section. This is where you can document your different trading strategies, setups, or systems. For each strategy, you can write down entry rules, exit rules, risk management guidelines, and market conditions. This helps you stay disciplined and avoid emotional trading. Next, navigate to the Trading section inside the journal. This is where you'll log each individual trade. You can record details like the asset you traded, entry price, exit price, position size, stop loss, take profit, and whether the trade was a win or a loss. The more detailed you are here, the more valuable your journal becomes over time. After that, click on the Gallery view. The Gallery view allows you to visually browse your trades or strategies as cards. This is especially useful if you like a more visual overview of your performance. You can customize what information shows on each card, such as profit and loss, date, or strategy used. Then, move over to the Models section. This section is useful for tracking different trading models or market conditions. You can use it to analyze patterns, review screenshots, and write reflections on what worked and what didn't. Over time, this helps you identify your strengths and weaknesses as a trader. As you continue using your Notion trading journal, make it a habit to log every trade immediately after closing it. Consistency is key. You can also add charts, screenshots, and personal notes to make your journal even more powerful. The goal is not just to track profits, but to improve your decision-making process. And that's how you use Notion as a trading journal. You now have a clean, organized system to track your trades, strategies, and progress all in one place. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with another trader who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.